Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're pushing up very strong today. Like I've been saying the last couple of days, I think it would make more sense for this to be stretching out into like some sort of an ABC, a B, before it actually goes up to one of these much higher Fibonacci levels. That definitely would make the most sense based on my Elliot wave count. But based on structure, we can't deny that this is an uptrend. And when you're in an uptrend, there's always a possibility that it just goes up and takes out the previous highs. Luckily, both scenarios, I'd be recommending longs on sort of time frames. Now that we got this break of structure, which by the way, this is what I would call a bread and butter entry right here because we got the break of structure. Then we got a pullback, which was a three-way pullback, and a beautiful, nice little entry to go long right there. Only problem with the entry is that it happened in the middle of the night for me during the Asian session. But like I said, I would be looking for longs right now. I wouldn't be trying to go long right now, but I definitely would be going long on pullbacks. If it's a complete trend reversal, then it will not break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level on the sort of time frames. If it's not a complete trend reversal, then keep an eye on maybe your 60 and the 71%. If it does this, or if it does this, then stop looking for longs and go back to looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.